Hello class, I welcome you all to this session. This session we are going to discuss chapter 3 class 2. Okay, that is change in profit sharing ratio among existing partners. In that goodwill treatment, what's going to be the goodwill treatment? Okay, so we would have learnt the goodwill, what we have understood in accounting standard 26. Accounting standard 26 says that intangible assets, if it is goodwill, should be recorded in the books only when consideration in money or money's worth has been paid for it. Thus, in case of admission or retirement or death of the partner or change in profit sharing ratio among partners, goodwill is not raised in the books of the firm because no consideration in money or money's worth is paid for it. It should be adjusted through partners capital account, and if goodwill is raised, it should be written off immediately. So this is the concept. Then the consideration payable by the gaining partner for its gain to the sacrificing partner or partners is known as goodwill or premium for goodwill. So any consideration that the gaining partner is paying to the sacrificing partner or partners, it can be one sacrificing partner or two or more sacrificing partner, then that is called as premium for goodwill or goodwill. Now, amount of compensation payable is equal to the value of the firm's goodwill into share of profits gained. So, we will look into this problem to understand this concept. Sohan and Ram are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:1. Their capitals were 60,000 and 40,000 respectively. As from 1st April 2017, it was agreed to change the profit sharing ratio to 3:2. According to the partnership deed, goodwill is to be valued at 3 years purchase of the average of 5 years profit. The profits for the previous 5 years were 2012 to 13 30,000, 13 to 14 40,000, 14 to 15 50,000, 15 to 16 is 60,000, 16 to 17 is 70,000 respectively. Pass journal entry to give effect to the above arrangements. Now, this is the question. What we are supposed to do is, we need to first calculate what is the value of goodwill. You know that there is a change in profit sharing ratio. Old ratio is 3:1, new ratio is 3:2. So we have to calculate what is the sacrificing ratio. Who is sacrificing partner? Who is gaining partner? The gaining partner has to compensate the sacrificing partner. So that amount. So journal entry, what journal entry we are supposed to write? So now we have value of goodwill. So I'm just starting the solution. What is the value of goodwill? Now you have various goodwill. Say for example 30,000, 40,000, 50,000, 60,000, 70,000. Goodwill is to be valued at 3 years purchase. So 3 years purchase is this. So average profit is equal to 30,000, 40,000, 50,000, 60,000 plus 70,000 divided by 5. So if we are adding all these, I am getting 2,50,000 divided by 5 will be 50,000. Now goodwill is equal to average profit into number of years purchase. So what is the average profit? 50,000 into 3. So goodwill is 1,50,000. I hope that this is clear. So 1,50,000 is the goodwill. Now we have to look into what is the sacrificing ratio and what is the gaining ratio. There are two partners, Sohan and Ram. Their old profit sharing ratio is 3:1. New ratio is 3:2. Now sacrificing ratio. Sacrificing ratio is equal to old ratio minus new ratio. Now old ratio is 3 divided by 4 for Sohan. For Ram it is 1 divided by 4. New ratio 3 divided by 5 minus 2 divided by 5. Now the denominators are not equal. So we need to equalize them. So I am just simply multiplying this by 5 and multiplying this by 4. So this alternate numbers I am just multiplying. Similarly here multiplied by 5 multiplied by 4. So 5 into 3. 5 3s are 15 minus 12 divided by 20. Similarly 5 divided by 20 minus 8 divided by 20. So 3 divided by 20 minus 3 divided by 20. Now here minus 3 divided by 20. So this will be the gain. This will be the sacrifice. Now Sohan is sacrificing 3 by 20 share for Ram. Now Ram is gaining 3 by 20. Now in this scenario, how much is the goodwill valued? So compensation payable by Ram to Sohan. Why? Because Ram is the gaining partner. He has to for this gain he has to pay some compensation to Sohan for goodwill. So for 320 share. So 1,50,000 into 3 by 20. Now if we are doing this 1,50,000 I am getting 22,500. Now this Ram has to pay to Sohan. So how you have to adjust it? Journal entry, adjustment, adjust the capital account. So how can you adjust the capital account? So Ram's capital account debit to Sohan's capital account 22,500 being the amount of goodwill credited to Sohan for his sacrificed share. So this will be the narration for this. So I hope that this problem is clear. The next problem that we are going to look into is X, Y, Z are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2:1. As from April 2017, Y decided to devote only part-time to the business. So what is Y doing? He is devoting only part-time to the business and accept to revise to receive 1/2 of his previous share of profits. So 1/2 of his previous share of profits. So sacrificed share of Y is taken equally by X and Y. For this purpose, goodwill of the firm was valued at 3 lakhs. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio and pass an adjustment entry for treatment of goodwill due to change in the profit sharing ratio. Now this is the question. Now you have to understand the scenario. there are three partners X, Y, Z. Y is profit sharing ratio 3:2:1. So 3:2:1. What Y is doing? He is reducing his share of profit to the extent of half. Now this sacrificed share of Y is taken equally by X and Y. So whatever Y has sacrificed, who is taking equally? X and Y is taking equally. I'm sorry, X and Z. It's not Y, it's Z. Just one small mistake. Z. Okay. So Z is taking equally. Okay. So this is the scenario. Now for the purpose, goodwill of the firm is valued at 3 lakhs. So they have given directly 3 lakhs. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio they are asking us. So what is Y's sacrifice? 2 divided by 6. Okay. From this he is ready to reduce half. So what is half? It is 2 divided by 12 or 1 divided by 6. Am I right? So 2 divided by 12 or 1 divided by 6. Now this 1 divided by 6 is to be distributed among X and Z equally. So X new share is equal to old share plus acquired share. What is old share? 3 by 6 plus what is acquired share? 1 by 6 into half. Am I right? So 1 by 6 into half. So I am just calculating this part alone. So 1 by 12. So this happens to be 3 by 6 plus 1 by 12. In this case we have to make sure that these two are equal. So I am just multiplying this by 2. So what I will get? 6 divided by 12 plus 1 divided by 12, which happens to be 7 divided by 12. So what is the new share of X? It is 7 divided by 12. Now what is the new share of Y? Y's new share. What is Y's new share? Is equal to old share minus sacrificed share. What is old share? It is 2 divided by 6 minus 1 divided by 6. So 1 divided by 6 is his new share. Since we need to make it equal, so I am just multiplying this by 2. So it is 2 divided by 12. Okay. Then what is Z's new share? Z's new share is old share plus acquired share. Old share plus acquired share. What is old share? It is 1 by 6 plus acquired share is 1 by 6 into 1 by 2. So we know that it is 1 by 12. So 1 by 6 plus 1 by 12 multiplied by 2. So 2 by 6 plus 1 by 2 by 12 plus 1 by 12. So it is 3 by 12. So our new profit sharing ratio among X, Y and Z is 7:2:3. So 7:2:3. Now goodwill is 3 lakhs. Now Y is the sacrificing person. So X and Z are gaining persons. So gaining person has to compensate Y. Okay. So 3 lakhs into 1 by 6. 3 lakhs into 1 by 6 will be 50,000. Now half needs to be compensated by X and half needs to be compensated by Z. Now how to do this? X, Z, 25,000. So X is capital account debit, Y is, Z's capital account debit to Y's capital account. So this is 25,000, 25,000, half and half. This is 50,000. Narration being the adjustment made for goodwill. So this is the answer. Now similar to this, there's one more problem. G, S and A are partners sharing profits in the ratio 4:3:3. G decided to devote less time to the business and acquire to reduce his profit share to 1/2. S and A took the sacrificed share equally. Goodwill of the firm was valued at 5 lakhs. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio and pass journal entry for goodwill. I want you to try it as homework. Okay, so try it as homework, and those problems which have not been worked out should also be done as homework. Thank you class. I will see you in the next class.